Forget everything you thought you knew about crazy vehicles. Today, we've got something special for you. 5 mind-blowing tracked vehicles that you probably haven't seen yet. So buckle up and let's dive into the world of extreme off-roading with these crazy machines. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. When tough conditions demand an even tougher machine, look no further than the USM52 Archaeum. This all-terrain behemoth isn't afraid of anything you throw at it, conquering off-road challenges with ease. Under the hood lies a 310 horsepower engine, providing the muscle needed to tackle any terrain. It boasts an impressive payload capacity of 8,800 pounds, making it ideal for transporting cargo or even a team of 9 passengers. The Archaeum isn't confined to just land. With a ground clearance of 16 inches and amphibious capabilities, it seamlessly transitions from navigating rugged landscapes to cruising across water bodies at a comfortable 4 miles per hour. On land, it reaches speeds of up to 38.2 miles per hour, making it surprisingly swift for its size. The Archaeum caters to your specific needs. Choose the type of tracks that best suit your terrain, and enhance your experience with optional features like rear-view cameras, double glazing, and even air and fuel-fired heaters for added comfort in any climate. The Tinger Track 2 isn't just a tracked motorcycle. It's a shape-shifting off-road powerhouse ready to tackle any adventure you throw its way. Imagine carving fresh tracks across powdery slopes with the snowmobile capabilities of the Tinger Track 2. Its superior traction and stability on snow will leave traditional snowmobiles in the dust. Transform the Tinger Track 2 into a tractor and conquer demanding tasks. Haul construction materials, clear snowdrifts, or tackle challenging agricultural work with its impressive payload capacity and towing capability. When the going gets wet, the Tinger Track 2 seamlessly transitions into an amphibious vehicle. Navigate rivers, lakes, and even swampy areas with confidence thanks to its water-worthy design. Unleash your inner thrill seeker and experience the unmatched control and excitement of a quad bike on any terrain. The Tinger Track 2's superior grip and handling allow you to conquer rocky trails, muddy paths, and uneven surfaces with ease. Forget getting bogged down. The Tinger Track 2 transforms into a swamp buggy, effortlessly traversing marshy landscapes and muddy terrains that would stop other vehicles in their tracks. Move over, crossovers. There's a new king in town when it comes to battling winter. Enter the Nissan Altima TAWD, a one-of-a-kind creation that proves imagination and snow know no bounds. Forget everything you thought you knew about family sedans. This Altima throws practicality out the window and embraces pure winter wonderland domination. Instead of your typical wheels, it boasts heavy-duty snow tracks that are 48 inches long, 30 inches tall, and a whopping 15 inches wide. Nissan's message is clear. The regular Altima, with its standard all-wheel drive system, is already a capable winter warrior. But the Altima TAWD takes it to a whole new level, proving that snow tracks are the ultimate winter accessory even for a sedan. The massively wide custom fender flares, adding 14 inches to the Altima's width, become badges of honor, testaments to your commitment to conquering the snowiest landscapes. The Smart car is known for its city-friendly size and fuel efficiency. But what if you craved off-road adventures without sacrificing the charm of your Smart? Enter the Matra Smart, a hilarious and surprisingly capable creation that proves big things can come in small packages. While some tinker with horsepower upgrades, the Matra Smart takes a different approach. This conversion kit transforms your ordinary Smart car into a miniaturized off-road beast. Imagine gliding across snowy landscapes or conquering muddy trails with the confidence and traction of tracks. The beauty of the Matra Smart lies in its customizability. Some DIY enthusiasts like the inventor choose to build their own tracks and skis, while others opt for parts from snowmobiles or ATVs, creating a unique and personalized off-road companion. Smart car on tracks might not be the most practical solution for everyday driving, but it's a testament to human ingenuity and the sheer joy of pushing boundaries. It's a conversation starter guaranteed to turn heads, and a reminder that adventure can come in all shapes and sizes. So the next time you see a Smart car, don't just think about city commutes. Remember, with a little creativity and the right tracks, it could be your gateway to unforgettable off-road adventures. The Systems BVS10 isn't just an all-terrain vehicle. It's a force multiplier designed to tackle the most demanding operational environments. This armored behemoth boasts a payload capacity of up to 8,000 kilograms and can transport 14 personnel comfortably. Whether you need to transport troops, equipment, or even conduct search and rescue operations, the BVS10 has the muscle to get the job done. Forget about limitations. The BVS10 navigates effortlessly through mud, snow, sand, and even water, leaving other vehicles struggling in its wake. Its articulated design and superior traction allow it to traverse challenging terrain with ease. The BVS10 isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. With a focus on flexibility, the BVS10 family boasts various variants developed in close collaboration with customers. This ensures the vehicle perfectly suits specific mission requirements. Allow for easy installation of interchangeable equipment and hardware. This modular design enables commanders to configure the vehicle for demanding tasks, from reconnaissance to combat operations. There you have it. These 5 crazy tracked vehicles that are pushing the boundaries of off-road exploration. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content.